Ray's Repair Zone. I thought I'd make a video showing how to put a wireless remote on your winch. This kit here, it's called Keeper. It's from Princess Auto. Now what I did was I modified it to fit my winch. It's not made for it. It's made for a keeper style winch, and it comes with two controls and this little that's the receiver. What you do is you take this is what was inside of this. I just took the two screws out and I desoldered the wires from the control, the receiver control, to this output. Basically that just fits in the Keeper style winch's female port where you hook your toggle. But see, there's 4 wires on this. It shows 5. The 5th pin isn't used, but that's all it was in here. So this is the control, and if you look on it, it says out 2, out 1, then your power and your ground. That's basically all it is. So I desoldered the wires from this and I extended them to fit. These are continuous duty solenoids, and the out 1 and out 2 go to your positive on each solenoid. So one would be turned on, it would go out, the winch would come out, and the other one here, the winch would go back in. So then you just find your ground, which is, well, you trace your ground back, and your power. And I hooked the power up. I just connected it to this wire because it goes in here and it goes back into my main feed. Pretty simple. It's a kit that's on, I bought it on sale for, I think it was $34.99. That's Canadian dollars, and that's the part number from Princess Auto. So in order to make it work now, you have to take the control and you hold both buttons until it lights up. And I'll move this out of the way. Outwards. Out and in. Quite responsive. As soon as you let go, it shuts off. Like it's supposed to be up to 100 feet. Now I just have to, well, then you turn off the transmitter with both buttons. Now I just have to figure out a way to hook up this computer board. I'm thinking what I'm going to do, there's room under here. I'm just going to hot glue my computer, the receiver, down in here. So hopefully that helps you. I'm kind of happy that I got a remote for this winch. Thank you for watching, and like and subscribe, please. And we'll see you again.